Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a full house tour. I want to show you everything that we have done to this place. I have a lot of pride in what we did to make this place our own and just how it looks now. I think it looks so cool and very nice. So I want to take you around, show you what our house is looking like, just a final product, because I know that you guys have been along with me through some of the vlogs of, you know, finishing furniture and organizing and painting. So I want to show you guys what everything is looking like and just like the final results. So yeah, let's get started. If you are enjoying these house videos, be sure to give this one a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Let's go ahead and start in the living room. So here is our living room. We got that couch from Furniture Row. That guy I think is from Pier 1. It looks very similar to the chair that we just got. Ooh. And then this rug is from Home Depot. And over there in the corner, we have some flowers, a record player, and then all of our records and games. Obviously, the blanket station. This is one of my favorite little sections of the living room because we have one of our wedding photos, the I Love Us, and then this little vase and fake flower plant thingy. Chris actually just put this up. So this is our gallery wall. I have been wanting a gallery wall ever since I heard that we were gonna be moving and getting a house. I was like, okay, first things first, I want a gallery wall. And let me shut these so it's less glare. All right, now you can see a little bit better. First row, the top row up there are places that we love and have been to. We've been to a lot of places, but those are just some of off the top of our list. That one is when we hiked up to the Hollywood sign, looked out. That is a picture from in the mountains here in Colorado, and then that is an Ireland photo. Ireland is where we went for honeymoon, if you're new to my channel. So the second row is when, like, this is our wedding, get married type of row. So Chris proposed to me when we were on a hike. That's us on a hike. Then we have this is our first dance at the place we got married, and then also our first kiss. There it is. Last row is where we graduated from. So those two pictures on the side are of me graduating. That's with my bachelor's and then my master's, and in the middle is Chris graduating. So that's our gallery wall. Those are like our 9 big moments out of both of our lives so far. When we have babies, we'll start putting photos of them in there too. And then our TV. There is the first side of the fireplace. You'll see later in the video that the other side is in the dining room. So this is, it's a double-sided fireplace. Then we come over to the kitchen. This is an amazing part of the house. One of my favorites. It's just so large and so cool. Let's start here. I got all of this stuff from Hobby Lobby. We're going to be putting our wine corks in here. So filling that up. And then there are some candles, and I really like this sign. It's very cute. Got the basket from Hobby Lobby too. Then we have our bar stool chairs. We just have 2. We got these on Facebook Marketplace. That's a really good way to find cheap furniture or like cheap anything that people are selling if you're looking for furniture, because that's what we did for a lot of the pieces in our house, is trying to find them the cheapest that we could. But these are from Pier 1. They're just, they haven't really been used a whole lot. They're in really good shape. Then we have our little fruit basket over here. We have our wine and, you know, glassware section. And there is our laundry room. It's not super exciting, but like we do laundry in there. Then we come over here. Eventually, I think Chris wants to build a little nook for this area so that we can have like an eat-in type of thing. Then we move into the actual kitchen. So we have really big cabinets. And here, this photo is from Hobby Lobby. And then all of our canisters and like white pieces in our kitchen are from Crate and Barrel. Then we would our cookbook station, recipes, and then that is our coffee bar over there. It's really nice. We make coffee a lot of ways. This is our island. It's just like the nicest kitchen I'll probably ever own. Yeah. There it is, and over there is the really nice gallery wall and our living room. Next, we are going upstairs, and this is the loft. This is the reading nook that you guys saw in the previous vlog. This is what the room looks like. I didn't change a whole lot from when you last saw it. Here is the couch and the little ottoman that I will read on. I got a basket and some blankets there, another little chair, and then here's the curtains. Here is the bookcase that we redid. Let's go over here. Here's our guest bath. It's not super exciting, but it's just a regular bathroom. And you come over here and here's our guest room. This is finally all done. We have a fan here in case guests want a fan. And then we added that mirror, that macrame little wall hanging is from Amazon, I think. And then that's what that wall looks like. That macrame plant hanging is also from Amazon, and that's a fake plant from Target. Then I want to show you this. This is a very cool print that I got off of Etsy. So these are 3 separate photos that all together look like a forest. I just think it's the most calming thing to have pictures of nature and stuff in your room. I think that the guest room turned out really nicely. My dad is actually coming to stay for the weekend, so that's why I have the towels over there. Next, let's go over into the master bedroom. My phone. I forgot where I put that. So this is the master bedroom. It's very, very large. That's our bed. There's that desk over there that we refinished, nightstand, some frames, some photos of Chris and I. This is a picture of Chris and I from forever ago, like years and years, maybe only a few years into dating. Then this love is patient, love is kind sign is from our wedding, and that is my ring box. You walk over here and we have a really cool fireplace in our room. And then above it, we have a sign that Chris made. That was our welcome sign for our wedding day. And then that's some engagement photos. And then there's our marriage certificate. I got a really cool, I'll show you a little box that says marriage certificate. That's where it will stay. It's like a shrine to ourselves. It's kind of weird, but it's fine. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. And there's the chest that Chris made me a couple years ago. You guys have seen that before. And our bedroom is connected to our master bathroom. So here's our master bath. We have double sinks, which is amazing, and these counters are actually taller counters, so Chris loves them. Tub over there, we hung this little shelf the other day, and this is a hedgehog with fake succulents in it. Isn't it so freaking cute? Yes. All the stuff in there is mine, of course. That is our master bath. It's pretty nice. I also really like these rugs that we got. These are from Target, and they match really well with the color of the wall. Here is our stairwell. We got that new light. I think I showed you guys in the vlog. We got that new light, and then we also picked up this mirror from Kohl's. We got a really good deal on it. Now walking downstairs. So this is our front room. This is what you walk into over there. Over here in this corner, we have a plant. This is called a ZZ plant, and it's supposed to be super easy to take care of. Hopefully it's living. I don't feel like any of the roots are coming out, which is a good sign. Then we also got this plant stand. I got it from Home Goods. This little chair that you guys saw, this is from Pier 1. This end table was here from the previous owners, but we have an electronic photo frame thing, so it rotates through photos here. This was the project that my mom and I did together with the mason jars. Then here is the piano. I got this from my grandma. So here's another wedding photo, and then here is another plant. This is called a golden pythos, I think. Also very easy to grow, and I got this guy from Lowe's, I think, is where I got this plant pot. Then we're coming over here. This used to be our TV cabinet, but it doesn't fit in the living room anymore, so we're using it as like an entranceway type table. So in the bottom of these, like in the shelves, there's lots of photo albums. And here's what the top of that looks like. This is another plant. These are all real, by the way. I'm testing out if I have a green thumb or not. But this is a jade. I think it's a jade plant. Actually, I think it's called an elephant something, but it's a type of jade plant. So that's what this is. It's actually growing a lot. This guy has grown so much since I got it. I got that from Paris, our wedding album, some old books. We do have an office that is right next to the front door. So that's where Chris works, and my desk is in there. I'm not really gonna show you in there too much because it's not there's lots of cables and personal photos and that kind of thing. So, but that is our office. We have both of our desks in there. This right here is our powder bathroom. So it's our bathroom that's downstairs, and we redid this bathroom. So before, when we first moved in, this did not exist, this wainscoting. It was just all this dark midnight blue color, but we added, well, Chris added the wainscoting, so it's all the way around the bathroom. It looks super nice. They did a really, really good job with it. It just brightens up the bathroom a lot, which is really awesome. Makes it feel way bigger than it did feel when we first got here. I got this towel and that from Target, I think, the soap dispenser. Little bin over the toilet, and then we painted these shelves. They were actually dark brown when we first got them, but it was before I knew that we were gonna add the wainscoting, so we painted them to match. Next, I'm gonna take you guys into our dining room. This is our dining room. It is open. Like, there's this big hole right here from the dining room and the front room. So we got that at a garage sale. I think it's maybe Pier 1, but that holds all of our holiday linens and stuff. We added some of these fake flowers, and these vases are they from Etsy, dear? I don't think he's inside. I think these vases are from Etsy. They were like handmade, so they're kind of lopsided, which is kind of cool. But these flowers are from Hobby Lobby. Here's our table. I've had this table since forever, like when I was in college. So, but these chairs are from Furniture Row. They are very comfy and very nice. We got 4 of these kind of chairs, and then 2 of these wood ones in case we need to pull them up to the table if we have more people. This is a hutch, and we got this from a family friend. I believe it was Pier 1 also, but we got it for a really, really good price. So we have a lot of our alcohol stuff. These we got from our wedding. This is the first bottle of wine we opened when we had our first night in our house. Look at all this glassware. It's amazing. We've gotten so much from so many people, so we just all put it in here. And then there are drawers that come out that just have miscellaneous things. That sign right there is from our wedding, and then I got this really cool book, very, very nice book from a high school craft show, I think, and we added some candlesticks up there. In our dining room, we also have a fireplace as well. That's a double-sided fireplace that goes into the living room, so we can get fire from here and also from the living room that's on the other side of the wall. Moving on to the patio, we have this little outdoor patio area that's our own. So I want to take you out here, show you what we did. So we added some lights, hanging lights to the house. We also got this table up with the rug. There's Chris's smoker over there, and then we are having a party today actually, so that's why we have the cooler out. But we got that plant from, I believe, Lowe's, and then this little bar cart type thing with also this plant. This is my first plant that I have potted myself. They were individual little plants, but no, not anymore. They're together, and I'm proud of myself. These are more chairs. Here is the plant over here, just nice purple plant. I don't know what all is in there. And then we have a cute little fence thing right here. So this is what our back patio looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys joining me through this process, being along with it for the ride, and I hope you guys enjoy, I don't know, seeing my house. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.